Hello everyone, welcome to the class. Today we will be discussing one measure of central tendency. Let us first understand what is the meaning of central tendency. Central tendency refers to a single value in an entire series which represents the entire series. It is also called as average. इसमें we will be discussing three type of average. One is arithmetic mean, second one is median and third one is mode. Today as हम arithmetic mean का calculation बारे में समझेंगे. Let us first understand what is the meaning of arithmetic mean, which is also called as mean. Arithmetic mean of a series is the ratio between the sum of all items and number of items. For example, एक सीरीज सीरीज एंड उसका जो आइटम है x1, x2, x3 एंड xn, these are the item of a series. So how many number of items? N number of items. In series X there are n number of items here. And now let us calculate the meaning of arithmetic mean or mean. Mean is symbolically written as x bar. मीन का जो सिंबल है दैट इज योर x बार. कैसे कैलकुलेशन करेंगे? इट इज x1 प्लस x2 प्लस x3 प्लस अप टू xn व्हिच इज सिंबॉलिकली written as sigma x divided by number of items. How many number of item in this series? n number of item. So divided by n. तो x बार का जो फॉर्मूला, मीन का जो फॉर्मूला है सिग्मा x by n, sum total of the items divided by number of items. Today we will be discussing calculation of arithmetic mean in case of individual series. You know statistics में तीन प्रकार का सीरीज होते हैं. इंडिविजुअल सीरीज है, डिस्क्रीट सीरीज है एंड कंटिन्यूअस सीरीज. लेकिन आज का जो क्लास में हम लोग इंडिविजुअल सीरीज बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे. इंडिविजुअल सीरीज में मीन को कैसे कैलकुलेशन करेंगे, उसमें दो मेथड आज पढ़ेंगे. The first method is direct method. The second one is indirect method. पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे डायरेक्ट मेथड में. डायरेक्ट मेथड का मीन का जो फॉर्मूला है x bar is sigma x by n. This is the calculation of mean by direct method. Let us try to understand direct method with the help of one numerical example. आप यहाँ एक सीरीज देख सकते हैं. These are the items 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These are the items. These are the individual series items. हमारा जो फॉर्मूला है सिग्मा x. Let us calculate sum total. अगर टोटल निकालेंगे it will be 150. तो 150 that is your sigma x divided by number of item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your 5. 150 by 5. So that is your 30. So 30 is the calculation of arithmetic mean by direct method applying the formula sigma x by n. This is all about direct method. There is another method through which you can calculate arithmetic also, that is called indirect method. This indirect method is also called as shortcut method. अभी उसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? मीन का फॉर्मूला बाय शॉर्टकट मेथड, इनडायरेक्ट मेथड x बार इज इक्वल टू a प्लस सिग्मा d बाई n. तो यहां पर a क्या है? a इज एज्यूम्ड मीन. d क्या है? डेविएशन ऑफ द आइटम फ्रॉम द एज्यूम्ड मीन, दैट इज योर x माइनस a. x माइनस एज्यूम्ड मीन, दिस इज योर d. So let us try to understand the calculation of arithmetic mean in case of individual series with the help of indirect method. Let us take one example here. एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. आइटम्स है देखो 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So here number of item is 6. There are 6 number of items. आप कोई भी एक आइटम को एज्यूम मीन लेंगे. लेट एज्यूम मीन को हमेशा ट्राई टू टेक फ्रॉम द मिडिल ऑफ द आइटम्स को हम एज्यूम मीन ले सकते हैं. Either you can take 30 or 40. Here I have taken 30 is the assumed mean. So here A is 30. तो फॉर्मूला देखो a प्लस सिग्मा d बाई एन. हमको d चाहिए. Let us calculate D. D is the difference between x minus assumed mean. This is your x 10 minus assumed mean 30. This is your minus 20. Here it is 20 minus 30 minus 10. 30 minus 30 0. Here 40 minus 30, that is your 10. Next is your 50 minus 30, that is your 20. Next is 60 minus 30, that is your 30. This is the D. तो अभी डेविएशन और डिफरेंस हम लोग कैलकुलेशन कर लिए. फॉर्मूला क्या है? A प्लस सिग्मा डी बाई एन. एग्जाम्पल में A लिए हैं 30, A का वैल्यू 30. सिग्मा डी कितना आया? दैट इज योर 30. N मतलब नंबर ऑफ आइटम. How many item? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You take 6 here. So 30 plus this is your 5. 30 plus 5 is your 35. This is what the calculation of arithmetic mean by indirect method. So today we have discussed how to calculate arithmetic mean in case of individual series and discrete individual series by applying the formula direct method and indirect method. In next video, we will be discussing calculation of arithmetic mean in discrete series, then in next video continuous series. So this is all about of this session today. Thank you so much.